Okay, we're going to talk about binary real quick, and then we're done. Binary, first started building binary years and years ago. People would talk about even filling the binary, because in binary you can only have 2 first levels. And so anybody else you sponsor has to go under those 2 levels. So they would talk about this concept of an even fill. The problem with even fill was person 1 and 2 would sit around and wait for me to fill their downline. And you never want a plan built on the concept of people waiting for someone else to build their downline. So now what's taught more often is this so-called power leg method, where when I create my own spillage, I put them kind of more straight down, which in a unilevel would be a disastrous method. But in binary, it's the way to go, because what I'm telling all these people, person 1, 2, 3, 4, is that I'm building their power leg, and they need to build their own pay leg.
Okay, this section here is about building momentum in your binary, okay, or in your organization. And so basically, here we go. So you're starting off, and what's going to happen is you're creating 2 power legs for your organization. Okay, there's you. You're happy. Okay, so here's what's going on. Let's say you place 3 on your left and you place 3 on your right. Okay, now here's what you're going to do. You're going to teach. Okay, the people that are on your left side, their common leg, or we call that the team leg, is their left side. Okay, and the people that are on your right side, their common leg, or their team leg, so to speak, is their right side. Okay? So let's just talk about the left side first. So we're talking to the left team. Hey, left team, here's what we're going to do. We're going to play team first, and we're going to give 3 to the team leg before we build our inside leg. Because let me show you what happens. Okay? So if this person goes like this, they put 3 on the team leg. Okay? And then this person puts 3 on the team leg. And then this person puts 3 on the team leg. Look what just happened. Do you guys, now, what are these 9 people going to go do now? They're each going to put 3, so that's going to be another 27. So that leg is literally going to go to China, okay? So once they put 3 on the team leg, then they can start building their inside leg, okay? So it's basically, you're kind of feeding the goose that lays the golden egg, okay? So once again, each person puts 3 on the common leg or the team leg before they start building their inside leg. And by doing that as a team, everyone is helping each other, and that will continue to feed that golden goose all the way to China, okay? So now that's the left side. I'm going to repeat that again so you guys can see it one more time. So let's talk to the right team. Hey, right team, we're going to play team. We're going to put 3 to the common leg, and then we're going to build our inside leg. So here's what happens. This person, they put 3 on the team leg first. This person puts 3 on the team leg first. And this person puts 3 on the team leg first. Okay, so now we've got 9 new teammates on the team leg. So now these 3 are now okay to start building their inside legs, okay, and stuff like that. So guess what? Now these 9 new teammates, guess what their job is? To play team and to put 3 on the team leg. So that's going to be another 27 down that side. And now once they've done that, okay, they don't have to wait. Everybody has to get their 3 at the same time. It's just once this person's got his or her 3, now they can start driving the inside leg. Once this person or that person gets their 3, they can start driving their inside leg. They don't have to wait for everybody. Okay, now these 27 turn into 27 times 3, which is whatever that number is, all the way down. So now, in essence, you've now created 2 power legs, and this is the only compensation plan you can ever do that in. That's the beauty of this,